Yung nagpa-preventive maintenance ka tapos makikita mo to either sa bill o quotation, engine oil treatment. Kailangan nga ba to? To answer the question, let's refer to the owner's manual. Use of additives, aka treatment, is not recommended since they may reduce the effectiveness of additives already included in the engine oil. It may result in the failure of the mechanical assembly. Generally, as per the manual, hindi po recommended ang engine oil additives o treatment. Halos lahat ng modern engine oils ngayon may kasama ng additives na thoroughly tested at carefully balanced para makapagbigay ng optimal protection and performance sa ating mga engines. Ngayon, just like what the manual says, ang paggamit ng additives, which is what engine treatments are, ay maaaring makasira pa sa formulation ng engine oil at kalaunan maaaring makasira din ng mga engine components. Madalas nirekomenda ang mga treatment o additives sa mga high mileage na sasakyan. May mga engine treatments din specifically designed to condition seals and gaskets to address minor leaks. Ngunit kung bago pa ang iyong sasakyan o kung wala namang problema sa makina kagaya ng minor leaks, hindi na kailangan gumamit pa ng engine oil additives o treatment. Sa halip, gumamit na lamang ng high-quality engine oils na pasok o ini-exceed pa ang manufacturer's recommendation at syempre mag-change oil sa tamang schedule. Kaya next time na magpapaservice, kung nakita nyo ang engine oil treatment o additive sa quotation, just politely decline at ipatanggal nyo na lang. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and follow for more.